Thursday, much nicer day than yesterday. I'm waiting at a ferry. I don't quite know what you're supposed to do, but I've rung the bell and the man said he can see me and it's going to cost me €1, so I don't really know where it's going to go. I'll probably be just as quick going somewhere round the side, I don't know. Today's ride was shorter, heading east towards Groningen. I had intended to visit the West Frisian Islands, but the cost of ferries and camping fees put me off. It's the ferry. Ferries gave a good excuse to get out of the saddle and a chance to watch the world go by at a different pace. Waiting for my next ferry. This one's a car ferry. I hear a tractor behind me, waiting there. I think this one's €1 as well, I think. A huge thank you to all my subscribers. You're a fine, select bunch. I do appreciate your support and comments. Hats off to the ferryman. Some ferries appeared to be manned more out of love than for profit. Sure what the drill is here. Imagine the ferry just goes across there. I spent €4 on ferries so far this morning. Worth every penny really, it's been quite good fun. So the bridge doesn't look like it's going to be open. There's the bridge operator. Swinging around that side, I think there's a group of youngsters walking off into the distance. It's always uplifting to come across something different. Here I came across a giant beehive with the bees spinning round it in the breeze. And here I came across my first experience of nesting storks. They seem to have their own bespoke nesting station. I reached another splendid campsite. Peaceful, quiet. Well done for making it this far. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.